A room falls silent, yet you can feel everything. The tension, the joy, the sadness, all without a single word being spoken. It's invisible, yet impossible to ignore. Psychology explains that people who sense emotions without talking have heightened intuition and empathy. They read micro-expressions, body language, and subtle energy shifts that most miss. Mornings often begin with quiet reflection, tuning into their own feelings before the day starts. Afternoons are spent noticing the unspoken world, when a smile hides pain or a gesture reveals stress. Evenings are moments to process, recharge, and turn sensitivity into understanding. This ability is powerful, but can be overwhelming. Feeling too much at once can drain energy and increase stress. Psychology shows that grounding techniques, setting emotional boundaries, and mindful routines help maintain balance. Quick actions to strengthen this gift. Observe without judgment, journal emotions, and take intentional, quiet breaks. These habits sharpen emotional insight while protecting mental energy. Sensing emotions without words isn't a burden, it's a rare superpower. Understanding this psychology transforms sensitivity into empathy and awareness into strength. Like, share, and subscribe to uncover more hidden psychology behind everyday habits.